welcome to my channel. My name is Jeannide and I'm about to do a follow a makeup guru tutorial video. So today I'm going to be choosing Aaliyah J's fall grunge makeup tutorial. She's doing a halo eye in this video and I want to like really make my halo eyes look better, so I'm gonna like try to do this. Hopefully it comes out as poppin' as hers, like for real. So we about to get right into it, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also turn on your notifications. Don't forget to also like and comment this video and also share it if you thought it was funny or you thought it was cool, whatever. So yeah, I started watching it last night but I didn't finish, so we about to get into it. She looks so poppin'. I love this look, like I love it. Oh my god. Oh, my face is still a little oily though. Hold on. I got some baby oil on my face. She's gonna do her brows. Oh shit, I should have done my brows off camera then. So okay, so I'll be back. Okay, so she has a foundation stick. I ain't got no foundation stick. We just gonna do the regular schmegular. Wait, I didn't put on primer.
I'm gonna use Smashbox primer oil. Apply this to the bottom of my beauty blender and blend everything out.
Okay, I'm like jumping the gun. Okay, can I like swipe everything back onto my beauty blender? Like, I'm gonna use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to prime my face. I cannot believe this. So after much difficulty, I am back with my Real Technique sponge and my infallible foundation, L'Oreal foundation, Classic Tan. Oh my gosh, yo, like my junk fell. She's using a foundation stick. And she didn't use primer before the foundation. She's like mixing her primer oil. Oh yeah, her primer oil with her foundation. It's still pretty full. That's good. So medium beige.
And then I'm gonna blend out with the
Let me try to do like that. Like she does it. Oh shoot, girl. I feel like she made it like more squarish. Then like more of a triangle, if you know what I mean. It looks very, it doesn't look that much of a square, but I'm over here doing triangles under my eyes. Oh. And she put the excess of the concealer on her eyelids to prime her eyes for her eyeshadow. Anywho.
So now it's time to contour.
I feel that all
this
around.
because if we don't, we're just gonna look like a flat ass pancake.
Yes, we will.
We're gonna take Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and I'm gonna use.
Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa to contour my face. So, did she do the fish? Mm-hmm. That was a little too long. Because her, I guess, contour lines, whatever, they're like thick. It's like thick. It's like this. Because if she's using contour stick, it would be like this. And it wouldn't be that long. It would probably be like this long. So. I'm going to take the funny part of the beauty blender. Under the contour.
And it's just gonna keep my makeup in place all day. And
I should actually do it around her mouth too. I don't have a BH Cosmetics contour kit, but I do have some BH Cosmetics brushes. So I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics 125 contouring brush to contour my face with the LA Girl Pro Contour and Highlight Kit. Oh yes. before. I think we're off to something good. Off to something great. I think I'm gonna look like a bad bitch after this. So I don't have the Morphe 350 palette, but I have the Morphe 3502 palette. I think I'll be fine doing that, you know? This is like the fluffiest brush I have, I think. So I think all the other colors I have, except for the first color, as a transition color, I think I'm gonna use this one. I think this is called Universal. Yeah. It's like a yellow. It's like a yellowish. So I'm gonna mix what I just had with this orange right here from the 88 Matte Beige Cosmetics palette. We're gonna go back into the Morphe after this. Okay, first of all, that first eyeshadow is like creasing right here, or I don't know, it's like, what the fuck, I don't know. Let's see now. Why couldn't I just mix these two colors? Or just use this color? Because her junk looks orange as fuck, but this is like a fiery orange, so I can't use too much.
Today.
I should have used that.
So
that's like a doo-doo brown. It looks like a doo-doo brown. But it has like a green tinge to it in that one. So I'm just gonna go with this one. These following brushes that I'll be using are from wish.com. I'll put the link down below. They don't have names, they don't have like numbers to them or anything. So I guess right here, right above the crease. I'm gonna blend out the edges. I mean, I'm assuming she's blending out the edges in the video. She doesn't do it. I don't see her do it, but I'm assuming that's what she's doing. It kind of looks like this. This shade right here is like perfect with what she's using. Let me blend out these edges. I guess I'm gonna use this one in my outer and inner corner. Some Fix Plus. I only have e.l.f. No, not e.l.f. I have NYX setting spray. My battery's dying, bro. I use this shadow up here in the Sensor. It is so friggin' pigmented. Like, and Aaliyah actually put like a glitter on top of it to make it pop more. But I don't even think I need to do that because this shit is pigmented as hell. Like, I was shook. Like, I was so shook when I saw this pigment. Like, this shit is crazy. Oh my god, I feel like I'm getting glitter everywhere. A little shimmer. I feel like I'm getting shimmer everywhere. This looks messy as hell. Damn, why am I doing that? But yeah, I'm gonna take this brush this brown that we used before. Either this or this. That other color that she used looks just like this one. So I'm gonna use this color and put it on my, you know. I'm kind of upset that she didn't do this while she still had the bake underneath her eyes, just in case there's like fallout. I could just, you know, sweep it after. Okay, so she does that cat thingy. I don't know how to do that shit, but I'm gonna try. Oh god, I fucked that up. so badly. Yo, that look crazy, bruh. I'll put on the lashes later. Let me get some blush. I'm gonna use my fucked up elf palette. I'm gonna insert a picture here, or maybe I'll overlap the photo on top of this because this is a mess. Kind of highlighter she has, I do not have at all. I low-key feel like using the eyeshadow I use on my M. I feel like mixing this shit with a Fenty. This right here, I think it's, yeah, it's Me Money. So mixing those two together. Now, I guess what's next is lips. I don't have a brown lip liner, but I have like a lippy that's just like hers. I'm just gonna use that. So I'm just gonna use Limbo by ColourPop. It's the Ultra Matte Lippy. I love this lippy. So it's really chocolatey, just like suede. So boom, I got my dollar lashes from Wish.com. The link will be linked down below in my description box. I love these lashes. These are my favorite lashes. I think I did kind of good with this look. I think I did pretty well, except for like the inner cat eye. I don't know how to do that. I really don't know how to do it, like for real. So I feel like that's the only thing that's like messing up this whole look. But I think I did a pretty okay job. Let me know what you think. Yo, how the fuck? Let me know if you know how to do that inner cat liner thing that Leah knows how to do. Because I don't know how to do it. So, yeah, I hope that you like this little video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
Because baby, it drives me crazy when you say, whoa.